Alright, hi guys, sorry it's been so long since I posted an actual video, but we are going to do a huge unboxing today. So let's go ahead and get started, and I need my first puzzle. Thank you. So right here we have a 1x1, and let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, let me just get the plastic, let me get the tape off. So this is taking a second. And guys, if this part takes too long, you can just skip it. Alright, and here we have the 1x1. So, pretty normal 1x1 if you were to buy one. Just pretty normal. It's also a keychain too, so if you wanted to, you could put it on your backpack. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this one. And it's pretty good 1x1. Alright, and I need my next puzzle. So, there
you go.
Thank you. So here we have the metallic 3x3. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I get that. Right. So and guys, like I said earlier, you can skip this part. Right. Now we can open it. Come on. Why is it taking so long, guys? Come on, open. Alright, can someone come and take this puzzle, and can I open it, because I can't open this. Okay. So here we have the Ivy cube, I think. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So we got a cube. Let's see how it turns. Alright, so it's pretty easy to solve it, in my opinion. It literally just, this is only 2 turns away from solving. Just boom, boom. So it has pretty good, it has like the little clicking noise if you can listen. And I would say it's actually really good. And it does have 2 logos, so I thought that was kind of cool. It's kind of like a cube if you think of it in a way, but I really like it, and came with the paper. Alright, so that's a good cube in my opinion, the Ivy cube, and I need my next cube. And
There we go.
Alright, thank you. And we got the mirror cube, the gray, whatever version this is, I don't know. Sorry about ripping the box, guys, if that's disturbing you. Either way, I got the mirror cube. Oh, a little bit sandy at first. I bet you if we lube it, it will go faster. Pretty like nice. I've only used a mirror cube once in my life. This is my first one I actually own, and it's really good. Let me test out the corner cutting. Corner cutting is actually really good. All right, and let's try doing H perm on here. Alright, so that's what it did. So then we're gonna redo that. Sorry if that's just the person that was opening that cube that I couldn't open earlier, so it's fine. Didn't H perm, so see, this is a really good cube in my opinion, and I think you should buy it. I mean, if you are interested in mirror cubes, I think you should buy it. Alright, so we got that one done, and just in timing. Whoa. So we got the metallic 3x3. I think he turns really good. Like, holy cow, that turns really good. Yeah, it's a really good cube. Like, really good. I'm gonna try doing Z perm on here. Alright, really good cube. Sorry, that was a real quick review, but really good cube. I like the metallic part where it like shines. That's really cool, and that's a really good cube. And I like the corner cutting on here. Like that. It's really good corner cutting. Internals are all white. That's cool. All right. I like the metallic cube, and we're turning on to the next one.
Nope.
Alright, here we got the 1x3x3. So it's just a little puzzle that can be solved. I think I can solve. At least I hope I can solve. Alright, here it is. So I can do checkerboard on this one, boy. Checkerboard, I don't know, 1x3x3. It's cool. A little bit dusty, like, but that's cool. Yeah, but you can only do like F moves, B moves, and L and R moves, so, and D moves. But it's a really cool puzzle. Oh wait, and it can shape shift. Okay, that's cool. So like I made it to this. Alright, super cool puzzle. I forgot what brand this is because I can't read this. This is, where did the box go? It is the, oh, it's that right, okay. So, really good cube. Actually, one of my favorites so far. But still, I like the metallic cube more. Alright, that cube's really good, and I'm ready for my next cube. What is this? 6x6 or 7x7?
6x6.
Okay, so this is, wow. This is a really good, a little bit sandy out of the box, but I can definitely make that better. And this is a really good quality 6x6. I mean, for this small, and look at all these pieces. Really good. Let me do it. Oh, whoa. It's cool. Look at that inner layer turn. Really good. It's just a little bit sandy, so I may need to fix that. So H perm. Alright, really good cube. I actually really like it. Just I need to lube it, and I think it'll be good. This is a really good cube. Alright, and I think I'm ready for my next cube. The clock. Okay. Alright. This is so weird. Whoa. Okay, I've never used a clock in my life, so this is really weird for me. It actually turns pretty nice. I'm just gonna keep it like this because I don't know how to solve it. Well, this is really cool. First time ever using a clock, so it's really cool. So yeah, see it right here. Alright, really like this clock one, and I'm ready for my next cube.
Here you go.
The Megamix. Okay. Person that opens my cube, can you open this? I'll do this one while I'm waiting. Alright, what is this? This is a Moju 3M. Okay. Alright, here's the cube. Sandy out of the box, but I can definitely adjust it. Really, yeah, you definitely can move it. Let's see what else is in here. We got a stand right here. Another stand. Okay, that's cool. Come out. Sorry, I'm ripping the box, guys. Alright. Let's open accessories. Just a way to solve it and a screwdriver. Oh no, part of the internals. So that's what it looks like. Okay. And I'm ready for my next cube, and can I have that cube? Yeah. Okay. This is, whoa. It's my first time ever using a Megamix. I know, my second time. And really cool. I don't know how to solve it, but hopefully I'll learn how to solve it. So that's really cool. Sorry, the person that helped me with my cubes just coughed, so sorry. So I'm just testing out this. Alright, really cool cube. I noticed that instead of normally if I have a normal 3x3, it's white right here, and then yellow. Instead on this one, it's white right here and then yellow right next to it. So I thought that was cool. Alright, really cool cube. I've always been wanting a Megamix. So let's get on to our next cube.
Here you go.
And we have
right here.
Okay. We have the O2 cube. This is not the fidget spinner one, so really cool. But I like the centers part where it's actually really cool to solve. I'm gonna try to solve it. So it's white down, and then just rotate this. Got it. All right, cool cube, not sandy, but really cool. Really cool cube. Actually, yeah. All right, and I'm ready for my next cube. Square. Wait, no, what is this?
3x3x2.
Okay, 3x3x2. Really cool. I've never had like any uneven puzzles, if you know what I mean by that. Not shape shifting, but can do some stuff on it. Alright, really cool. Alright. Like this cube. And I'm ready for my next cube.
There you go.
Square one, okay. Whoa, really good. And the cube, and then I think you guys already know. You just solve it. It's like not a cube, but then, oh no, whatever. It's just a shape shifting puzzle. Really cool. Turns actually really good. Like it's really smooth. See those innards? I think there's magnets in here. I'm at 100%. Really good cube in my opinion. Hope I learn how to solve it. Thing is, it's really cool that like you can do like it feels like you're doing this, the double flick, but then you can do the same thing on here. But then when but then whenever you do this, it shapeshifts. So I thought that was cool. I would definitely main this because pretty good cube, and I'm ready for my next one. We got the 7x7. That is big. Okay, I'm not gonna even try to corner cut this. I feel like I'm gonna break it. It's pretty sandy. Of course, what I said, I've been saying this whole time. Maybe just a little bit. Look how small those pieces are in the layer. So, really cool cube. If I was in comp, I'd maybe main this, I don't know. But out of the box, not the best. So, and those people are just opening the next cube. So, not the best 7x7, but it's pretty good. And I'm ready for my next cube. Just want to use this.
You want all 3 of the fruit cubes?
Yes. You got the banana, the apple, and the lemon fruit cubes. Lemon, well, you can only use specific turns on there. So lemon, so you can turn the middle layer, kinda, yeah. So then, this is a lemon. Really cool cube. It's actually pretty good. And then, oh, the apple, look at this. It's really cool. And look, the inners are like all white, so it's kind of like a apple if you think of it. And the banana cube. It's the one I've been waiting for. So you can turn the top layer. This thing only has 2 layers. Just realize that. It only has. Oh wait, no, never mind. Right here. Never mind. It's all this inner layer right here. So you can still turn that, and then you can turn that. Yeah. So. All right. Fruit cubes, really like them. And I'm ready for my next puzzle.
This is
The dino. This is the dino
third to
cube.
last one.
Okay. Dino cube. Yeah, I think this is the dino cube. This is a really good cube. I've always been wanting one. And it's a really good cube. So it's you can kind of hear the springs move. On. If you listen to that. Yeah. Nice cube. That's pretty much all I've got to say. And I'm ready for my next cube. Okay, we have the mat. So, in the Speed Cube shop mat. That's where I bought all this stuff.
That's the last
And then, okay. And then we got the 2x2x3. Is that it? 2x2x3? Okay.
Yeah.
This is cool. Alright. Cool cube. Don't have much to say about it. But, really cool cube. Come on. Give me a second person that unboxes my cubes. Alright. Cool cube, in my opinion. And if you're wondering where I bought all this stuff, I showed you Speed Cube Shop. And that's pretty much it. You're welcome, guys. Alright, and then here are my cube unboxers, my little brother and my other brother, Grant and Clay.
And he's my twin.
Yeah, alright. Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.